Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be talking about the art supplies which I use for my mandala. So the first thing is the pencil. I use Staedtler mechanic pencil or sometime Nataraj pencil. You can use any pencil, it's just that it should not be extra dark pencil. As for drawing mandala, you will need to rub the grains in the end, so always use a 2B pencil or any pencil with a light pressure. So the next thing is the very basic eraser. I am using an Apsara Eraser, and the next thing I am using is a long scale, 360-degree protractor and a D. Next thing is the mapped compass. It is very tight and very sturdy. It has pen holding capacity, so I can easily draw circles directly with my pen. Let's talk about the papers and sketchbook which I use. So this one is the A4 size printer paper. This one is a little thin, that is 75 GSM, but if you are a beginner and you want to practice some mandala, you can go for it. Next is Aero Ivory sheet A4 size, which also I brought from the local store. Next I have Anupam watercolor sheets with a thickness of 300 GSM A4 size and 10 sheets. Quality of this watercolor paper is very good. So the next is the black sketchbook from Anupam. It has spiral bound A5 size with 180 GSM paper and 80 black pages. Let me show you the mandala which I have made on it. Now coming to the fine liners, the first one is the Sakura Pigma Micron pen, set of 8 pens with the nib size from 003 to 08. This was a pen that I used for the first time for drawing mandalas. The next one is the Faber-Castell Pitt artist pen, set of 8 with the nib size from 0.1 mm to 1.5 mm. The next one is the fine liners from the Artline, set of 6 with the nib size from 0.05 mm to 0.8 mm. The next one is the Brustro professional pigment based fine liner, set of 8 with the nib size from 0.05 to 0.8, which I am currently using. These are the fine liners which I use. You can invest in any according to your budget. They are all of good quality. Next, for my color mandalas, I use Luxor color pens, set of 10. Let me show you the mandala which I have made using these pens. Next one is the Staedtler Luna watercolor pencils, pack of 48. They are super smooth. Let me show you the mandala which I have made using these pencils, and also I have made this on A4 size printer paper. The next one is Camel artist watercolor cake set, pack of 24. The next one is Staedtler metallic marker set. The next one is the Fevicryl acrylic colors, pearl kit 6 shades and pearl metallic kit 4 shades. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Do let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite among all, and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful.